Hi, this is Supreet and welcome to my channel, and today we are going to unbox this digital table clock with rainbow colored, and this is going to cost you nearly 500 rupees in Flipkart and in Amazon some 200 to 250 rupees. So come on, let's unbox. Yeah, so here's the package. So let's unbox.
Moments later.
Yeah, now here's the box. Yeah, now here's the box. Yeah, now here's the clock box. Unexpectedly, this is made in China, but this was bought quite many days before. Here's the manual is being given. Oh, this is a bill. Here's the manual. Specification is size, weight, name, Mobicare clock, model number CK20, LCD, power supply and LED. This looks quite small in than the showed. 3 AA batteries. Some buttons are given. I'll see. Yeah, after unboxing and opening this, I observed one thing, that this can also work with 2 batteries. Okay, and I want to keep the third battery. It's okay. And the main thing is about colors glowing. And let me set the date and time. In the specification, I heard that this watch is also having a talking feature. I will test this, it's true or not. Let me set the time. Yeah, now I have completely set this time and all. This is also having 24 hours and 12 hours. Temperature is being shown, and temperature is 30.5 degrees, date and also year. This is having many colors. I can discover that, just like a circle, but I didn't get the feature of talking. There is also having alarm feature. I'll set it. So that was the video, and after reading this paper I understood that this is also having a DC input of 4.5 volts. And one more feature, this is also but I cannot snooze to click that. And as I tried DC input, but this is not having any talking feature, just having somewhere here. And this is so plastic and very less dense. Not and in this pamphlet there are some safety instructions are being given that this should not be fall down, so to prevent this can be broken instantly. And about keeping this in sunlight and high temperatures, this can be, the batteries can stop working and may leak. Okay, so I personally feel that this alarm sound is not so dense or something bassful and powerful to make you awake from a good sleep, tight sleep. So that was the video. If you liked it, please like, share and subscribe, and also visit the Wafical channel, link given in the description below. Check it out. Thank you. Main thing is don't mix the old battery and the new one, because they are having some problems, so that it may fluctuate and it may stop working.